Company professional produces plastic products and equipment of poultry and livestock. Chicken leakage dung board made of new type reinforced structure and material, high intensity and durability, anti-rust and anti-corrosion. Reasonable design of the whole size can avoid the hurt of chicken foot. Ship leakage dung board used the double bearing beam arch design, strong bearing capacity, good toughness, resistance to pressure and fall. Hook thickening design, stable anti-warping, easy disassembly. The product has been professionally load bearing tested. Factory spot straight hair, professional packaging delivery. Welcome to call for consultation.